Alright, y'all, soldering 101. You don't know how to do it, you don't know, but we're going to show you right here how I do it. You get that tinned a little bit in your little receiver down there. You're going to lay your wire on there. Make sure your little end connector on there, your end cap. Make sure it's on there. You're going to apply some heat to this baby and start putting some solder in it. Don't go crazy with the solder. Let it melt down in there. Get close, Gage. Look at this. Now it ain't going to stay. Let the solder melt to the bottom so it's in there connected. Get her to let go. Let it harden. Get all the wires back in there because I made a mess of it. But get her to harden down in there. Let it go for a second. Make sure your wires are tucked in. Get your little solder back. Put that on there. Melt some solder through her. Not too much. You don't want it bubbling all over. You don't need a big old glob of the stuff. You just need enough to hold it in there and make sure it goes through. See that melt? That's what you want. When it melts down like that, perfect. Let that baby harden up, and there you got a solder joint. That is perfect. Look at that, boys and girls. Look at that solder. Got a wire sticking out right here. I'll get that out of there, but that is perfect. Get these wires pushed back in there a little bit. You might let it melt a little more and push it like that. See her sink back in there all the way. Did you see that? Oh, that was beautiful, y'all. There it is. And that's how you solder. That easy. You ain't doing something you love. You're doing something wrong. There it is, y'all. One set of connectors. Make sure you're positive on one side's going to the positive, negative on the other side's going to the negative, and then run the splitter in between the two. Obviously, we're about to touch that up. The wire got short, skimmed somehow right there, but there it is, guys. New connectors on this bad girl. We just got to finish her up, get her cleaned up, and we'll have this beast sorry, out ripping again. It is so cold here, guys, in Ohio that I'm not even messing with it right now. It is in the teens and 0 digits or 1 single digits. Not real good outside right now, so as soon as the one's warmed up, we'll be back out ripping for y'all and putting down some serious action for 2024. Let's go, y'all. What's going on with YouTube? I don't know if that bend's coming off. Oh yeah, you can see that bend. Look how bent the end of this is. That's a 7mm shock shaft from M2C Racing, and once you focus in on it, just look how bent that bad boy is, guys. Gosh dang. So your question is, look at that curve. Can things be bent from VITAVON and M2C? Well, there's your M2C brake, and off the same truck, off the exact same truck, one hard hit and it cracked. You can see the crack right here by my thumb. See it split right there? Split the whole bulkhead, aluminum bulkhead. And in the front of the truck, snapped off the front brace, which is this guy right here. Snapped the front of it off. But I'll tell you this much too, guys, just so y'all know, I called VITAVON. They sent out replacements, no questions asked, free. I called M2C. You gotta pay 50% to get a new part. So there's what happens in the comparison to the companies and other things. I like to let you guys know what you're going to be expecting. M2C's refund policy works. They will replace the part that is defective, but they 50% you gotta pay. VITAVON sent new ones, no questions asked. There's the new bulkhead. There's the new brace. And even switch colors for me. So we're gonna get this thing put back together. We'll be out with a video soon. All right, y'all. So we done got all the bad parts back fixed on it, but we realized we busted a screw off right in here. So we're gonna get out a drill and try to drill that out, get it out of there, and then we're gonna get this thing back ripping. Let me see if we can get it out of there and we'll show you. We just had to bend both these shock shafts back. 7mm M2C shock shafts, bend them both. Total destruction, but this is my baby right here. This thing's a beast. I love it. Love all the VITAVON. This thing's an absolute animal, and we're gonna get that out of there so we can put this rear brand new beautiful VITAVON bulkhead back together. And yeah, it's not just cover either, boys. That's full bulkhead. It's chrome in the back. That's the full red one up front. But yeah, beautiful. We'll be back.